So when I was trying to use bunx create next app or using bunx, and this command is not working. So how you can fix it on Linux or any operating system? We can do it by without using like bunx. We can use bun and x separately, then we are able to create any app and we are able to use it. Or alternatively, we can use something like that. We can just in our zsh or bash rc, zsh rc or bash rc, we can just set alias just bunx or bunx. So without doing that, we will do it manually by updating configuration of zsh, something like sudo nano. So if you use like bash rc, then you can use bash rc. I am using zsh, that's why I am just open my zsh configuration, and so here I have just added aliases, and now we are adding a new alias for use bunx on the Linux. So for that, just set alias bunx, and now it should work. Okay, just save, Ctrl X, Y, and hit enter. So it is saved, and now you need to give source bash rc or source like zsh rc in my case. Just hit and everything is refreshed, and bunx. Okay, bunx is working fine. So you can use bunx separately, or you can set alias and use it. So this is it, how you can use bunx and how you can solve the bunx command not found.